One last look. So in this case, say we have a fairly large boat and a center console. It's a tight squeeze if you both try to go through together. Any kind of wind and current through here at the same time makes it a very dangerous operation. If you're at slack water with no current and no wind, it's a different deal. But as weather conditions change throughout the day, so should the safety considerations for going through here.
I trust him handling that boat more than I trust any of these little boats.
Yeah, absolutely. Here's the other consideration. How are you going to get two boats like this through at the same time? This boat is huge.